My name is Alex Riddle, and I am Gene Riddle's daughter. I started back in 2020 after I graduated law school. Everyone says I never really had a choice. I was always going to be an attorney. I was always going to work for my dad, and I didn't want to leave North Carolina, so I've been here ever since. I grew up in a really small town in Goldsboro, North Carolina, and we would go to the mall or the movies or a restaurant, and people would come up to my dad that were past clients, and they'd say, "Gene, do you remember my case from 1994 or 2000? You really helped me out." And that just really stuck with me, and I wanted to have the same impact that my dad had on the community. One of the things I enjoy the most about practicing this type of law is being able to help clients in some of the most difficult times that they're going to go through. Whether that's helping them get in to see a provider and get the treatment they need, or getting emergency health care, or even giving them the settlement check once everything's said and done and it's over. Just being able to be there for them and help them and guide them through this process brings me a lot of joy. One of the things that I really like to focus on is client communication, client contact, and just letting them know that we're here for them. This is a really difficult time for them. They're going through a lot. I just like to be there to guide them through that, and whether it's a phone call or an email, or even if I have to call someone on the weekends. I've even called someone on Christmas Eve just to kind of ease their worries. It's just important to be there for them. When you work these serious injury cases, a lot of them really do stick with you. I tell my clients there's no amount of money that can ever put you back in the situation that you were before the accident. You just have to be there for them and support them and provide whatever justice you can.